Hey everybody, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If this is not, thanks for coming back. As you can see, I have laundry items on my table. They are the large containers, so I didn't mind paying the out-of-pocket that I did, although I just looked on my receipt as I got home and I noticed that I was charged an extra $4.99 for the Febreze Unstoppables Touch at the end. So I will have to go back to the store and recuperate my $5 on that. So starting with the Gang Flings, these are on clearance in my store for $19.99. There is an automatic $3 off when you get to the register. That is a 60 count. It is the Spring Daydream scent. Next, I have the fabric softener, 150 loads, 129 ounces. I picked up for $10.99. Then I picked up the Fireworks, 14.8 ounces, also at $10.99. The dryer sheets are also $10.99 and they are a 240 count. The two Febreze Airs, I paid $3.59 for each one of those and $4.99 for the Unstoppables Touch at the end. The following digital coupons are the ones that applied. I had a $3 off for the Gang Flings. I had a $2 off for the fabric softener, $2 for the Fireworks, and $2 for the dryer sheets. Then I had $3 off of the Gang Unstoppables Touch, and I had a $3.30 digital for the Febreze Light Air. Your out-of-pocket should be $46.83 after that, then your taxes. Again, I was charged for an extra Febreze Unstoppables Touch, and I am going to get my money back for that. Don't forget to submit your receipt to PGGood every day so you can get your points. They also have gift card rewards going on now. Spend 30, get 10, I believe it is, and a spend 50 and get something else, and a spend 20, get something else. So they have 3 different gift card programs going on right now. Just make sure you submit your receipt. I did get 10 shop kits for walking into Publix, so that is added on to here. I have not submitted my receipt to Fetch yet, which I will be doing to receive my points, which are only going to be 25 points, but that is fine with me. Every little bit helps. Again, this is all I have for you today. If you're interested in any of these items, Publix sale does end today in Georgia. The new one starts tomorrow. If you are in Florida, the sale ends tomorrow and the new one starts on Wednesday. Run out and get your laundry items if you may need them. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Bye.